story. We don't really have too much to talk about with the fact that 20 of the 23 Marvel movies are on Disney Plus. However, I'm just happy that we're slowly getting all the content. Now, I don't think we're ever going to see the Spidey movies on Disney Plus because they're a Sony property, unfortunately, unless Sony ever gets bought out. However, it's good to know that if you want to do a rewatch, you can virtually do it all, considering the 3 that aren't on there, even though they are crucial to like Spidey's character, but the Edward Norton Hulk doesn't really factor in too much. Sure. So it's good to see that it's kind of the central location for the MCU.
Absolutely. And, you said it best. The 3 that they left out are unique. It's exciting. Ant-Man and the Wasp, one of the later movies, Netflix finally, gave it up. And it's exciting just because you can really get the full gamut of the Disney Plus experience within the MCU. If you want to look into a little bit of a rewatch order that maybe you haven't done before, check out thedirect.com. We have a bunch of articles on different rewatches for Star Wars and Marvel movies. And, there's a lot of different ways you can watch these Marvel movies to really key in on different characters you like. Just a couple off the top of my head. Obviously, you have the chronological order, which is, in my opinion, the best way to do it. Starting with Captain America, moving into Captain Marvel, all the way to Endgame. And then there's other ones like a Tony Watch, where you can watch all the Iron Man appearances and Captain America. There's a great one that I think really plays into Ant-Man and the Wasp really well is the supporting character watch, where you get kind of the non-Avengers look at everything. You get a look at this universe from the eyes of people that aren't in the main team. Those Avengers movies really move the chapters and the stories along. So getting an outside look at that is super interesting.
100%. I'm trying to think of the rewatch I prefer the most. And I feel like the chronological is the way to go. Like you said, it's really cool to watch when we start with Cap 1 and you also see Howard Stark as a supporting character. Then you're like, oh wait, that's Tony's dad. Boom. Exactly. It's pretty special.
So check out thedirect.com, look up your rewatch orders, find the best way to watch it for you. We have so much featured content on the Direct, 20 plus writers giving you stuff every second of every day. We have news, we have features, we have fun stuff, and it just keeps coming. So get to thedirect.com, sign up, make an account. You're able to follow different stories, different shows, different actors that you love, and just follow along with different news. You can also be.
Another panel I do want to talk about is Black Adam, though. We talk about the Suicide Squad and the characters we don't know a lot about, and some actors that might be C-level, B-level. You have the A-list star, literally the number 1 movie star in the world, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, suiting up as Black Adam, Shazam's anti-hero, antagonist. We still don't know where he's going to play in. Where do you see this panel going? How much are we really going to learn about the character? We're going to see any footage?
So footage, I don't know, but I do know one thing. We're going to get a spotlight on a dark stage, and we're going to hear that finally. The Rock has come back to DC fandom. Guys, Dwayne Johnson is the greatest microphone performer of all time. If you don't believe that, you don't know what he's done on a microphone. Having him in a panel like this with all the hype surrounding it, and low-key, he's probably the 3rd, 4th project on people's minds at best, with the Justice League and Wonder Woman and Batman coming out. We haven't even talked about Bob Pattinson yet.
Oh my God, so ready.
The fact that The Rock is going to be here spearheading this movie, we talk about James Gunn being able to stir up excitement for a project. That's what The Rock does. He brings excitement. He's the most electrifying athlete in sports entertainment, and he's the most electrifying actor on the screen. Having him at an event like this